Economics Retest. Match the following description with the correct term. Each term will be used more than once. You can pause this video at any time. Your answer choices are A. Communism, B. Free enterprise, C. Socialism, and D. Traditional economy. Question number 1. Subsistence farming, cottage industries. Choose from one of the options. Question number 2. Government only owns resources and large businesses. Small businesses are privately owned. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 3. Usually found in a rural, non-industrialized area. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise, C. Socialism, D. Traditional economy? Question number 4. Freedom to choose what to produce and how much. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 5. Government controls and operates all businesses. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 6. No private property, no trade with outsiders. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 7. Prices are determined by supply and demand. Profit is the main goal. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 8. Little or no government interference. People own private property. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 9. People's basic needs are met for free or at a very low cost. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 10. Main goal is to have a classless society, equality among all workers. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 11. In which economic system would you expect the largest selection of goods bought by consumers? Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 12. Which economic system has production based on customs and traditions? Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Question number 13. Farmers grow just enough crops for their family to survive on. Is it A. Communism, B. Free enterprise system, C. Socialism, or D. Traditional economy? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. For questions 14 through 16, use the word bank to fill in the blanks. Your choices are scarcity, wants, supply, demands, price, economics, and needs. Question number 14. The amount of goods available for consumers to buy is called blank. Question number 15. The goods you desire to have but are not necessary for survival are called blank. Question number 16. Supply and demand often influences the blank of goods in the marketplace. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 17. Look at the box and choose from the answers to determine what would be the best title. Let's look at the box. Supply and demand is essential in production of goods. Business owners' main goal is to make profits. Entrepreneurs come up with new ideas for business. After reading all those, try to determine what type of economic system that is. 17. Which of the following would be the best heading or title for the list above? Is it A, factors of production, B, features of the free enterprise system, C, characteristics of cottage industries, or D, communism characteristics? Country 1. In my country, people produce what they need to survive by doing things in the same way as past generations of family and community members. Our people grow crops and hunt for food. For question 18, which of the following jobs or occupations would be found in country 1? Is it A, computer programmers, B, subsistence farmers, C, coal miners, D, dentists and orthodontists? Country 2. In my country, all important decisions are made by our leaders. They hold all the power in making the government and economic decisions for our country. Our government owns all the land, natural resources, and factories for the good of all our workers. For question 19, which statement would be true about the economy in country 2? Is it A, the large and small businesses compete to have the lowest prices? B, most people do the same jobs as their parents and grandparents before them? C, few people receive education or training outside of their homes and community? Or D, with the government power, workers are treated equally in order to create a classless society? Country 3. In my country, people are free to produce whatever they wish and to buy whatever they can afford. Our citizens decide what to make and sell. Question 20. Which of the following countries best fits in the description of country 3? Is it A, China, B, Israel, C, North Korea, or D, United States? Remember to take your time, go back and check your answers.